All right, so today I'm trying out the G420 WOLFANG 4K camera, and I'm going to be putting it on a paddleboard because there's no wind. As soon as I get wind, then we'll do it on the line mount or on the surfboard. But we're going to try this bad boy out, and I'm going to show you what the video looks like. I'm going to use the waterproof case, right? And we'll hook everything up. And bam, Bob's your uncle. You'll get a chance to see if this thing shoots as good a video as the GoPro. And I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. So stay tuned for that. Yep. All right, so anyway, I mounted the camera on the very tip of my paddleboard. There were some little waves this day, and you can see it shoots excellent video. I mean, I think it's as good as a GoPro, easily. So I would highly recommend purchasing this. Check it out. Looks good, huh? I put a link to their Amazon page in the details on this video. So if you guys want to pick one up, you can just click on it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.